Hello. Welcome back. Welcome back, Eddie. Turn the camera around.
Yeah, turn that camera around.
Hey, this is on jury duty. Was he lying, Your Honor? I don't know. Just kidding.
So no hot lap last week. Thanks, Eddie.
The guy works for the feds now.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is August 24th, hot lap number 124. We got about 1 week till final bout.
Yeah, it's not good. That is not good. We're very behind.
Why'd you take it?
That's too much work.
Why do you take it from me like you're going to do something?
Yeah.
It's the 24th, as I said, so we got about a week left until this month's giveaway is over. If you spend $5 on the website, you get one entry into winning the giveaway, which is a $1,000 Origin Labo bundle, a gift aero package, credit of your choosing. Anything aero.
Can you try?
Can you try?
Can you try?
You just got here. Can he try? Don't take my mic. Anyway, $5 on the website gets you entered. If you buy any merch,
There's a lot of merch.
if you buy any merch, you get double entries.
It's Carl.
So all you guys who are in need of some new aero, Origin Labo aero, go buy something on the website. You got a few days left, 1 week about. As we're saying, this week is a final bout. Final bout prep. Next week is final bout. So, as you might have known, these guys went to Chicago last week or a week and a half ago to record some podcasts. So the one Chicago podcast with two Chicago podcasts with Simba and...
Well, Simba's coming out first, then Mel.
Mel. Simba first this week. If you guys love our podcast, you might love this one.
That's pretty good.
Simba, it's been a long time coming since you hopped on the podcast. They finally found some time to chat.
Go to his house.
Yeah, to his house, probably in his bedroom, in his bed, set up the mic.
It was good. He actually cleaned his whole garage up, everything. So I think I helped him out, honestly.
You made him.
He cleaned his whole garage. He organized everything. Like he was like, wow, I haven't done this in a long time. So yeah.
Just need some company.
Yeah.
Just need some company.
Actually, everyone on that trip did the same thing. So.
Wow.
Yeah. It was good. It's gonna be a good one. Coming out when, Eddie?
Wednesday? Sometime this week. Wednesday, Thursday. We'll shoot for
hopefully
Wednesday.
Yeah.
The old Wednesday pod drop, 6 p.m., 6:30. So yeah, we got that Chicago podcast coming out. So that'll be a good listen to get you ready for final bout.
Where we will have merch. We will have a booth. We will have
the vibe.
Yeah. Maybe a car.
Okay.
Maybe get you on the track. That'd be crazy. That's a crazy.
Hey, it's my first time on track.
That'd be nuts.
Just through the
US Air is not the first.
Go through the crowd.
Yeah. US Air is not a good first track, I don't think.
No way.
First drift day.
Too narrow.
Yeah.
So you guys at Final Bout, we're gonna have our whole rape van packed with people.
Might look a little different by then. I hope. The van is getting painted right now. We don't know what's gonna happen. It's either gonna be sick or it's gonna not get done. So we'll see.
I thought it was almost done.
Well, I mean that's what I was told, but I don't really know.
Diablo. All right. Anyway, what do we got going on in the shop? Let's go see. Oh, Frankie's in the mood to be on camera.
Read things like today?
Yeah, I'm reading this. Ready? Says what's in the shop. I read this one really good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alex's car is still here. Now we're holding this car so that Josh can't buy it from Alex.
Yeah. So supposedly Josh is trying to buy this from Alex.
Yeah. So we're just gonna hold it here.
Yeah. It's on a mechanic's lien. Nobody could take it.
Yep.
Oh, he thirsty as a mug. Dang. We got an R33 here. Psych, just kidding. We got two R33 here. GTRs. GDI. The Nissan GDI. RB26. Doing a little compression leak down test on this.
Looks good. So
this
far.
blue rocket.
Blue rocket. Okay.
Blue Pretty cool car. It's an LM edition, GTR LM spec. I don't know what makes it an LM. Maybe this and some other stuff. Pretty cool car. Has a Pexi exhaust. Got some Nismo LMGT 4s, right? Yeah. Cool cars. Basically stock on the inside. There's a couple bells and whistles. Might have been a drag car because there's some things that point towards it was highly modified at one point. But then we also got this one. This one has been here before. I really like these wheels. Oh yeah. These are nice wheels. CE20E. Yeah, this is a cool car. Just getting some maintenance work done on this thing, some axle boots and such. But this guy just bought this thing. So we're doing a whole kind of like a maintenance list on it. Changing brakes, plugs, anything that needs changing to make it, up to date and reliable to be on the road. Yo, okay. This week on the YouTube, we got a new Snap-on video for the fiends out there. Go watch that. Got a GR86. This thing only has 2,000 miles on it, and this guy's making it a drift car. GK Tech rear knuckles.
Upper control arms, lower control arms in the rear, and lower control arms up front, and 5x114 wheel bearing conversion.
Wow.
Whole catalog.
Whole GK Tech catalog to make this thing into a drift car. So,
A lot.
yeah, 2,000 miles, and now it will probably be molested, as they say. What else we got? Last week had a podcast with Loosen Up Drift Boys from Massachusetts. Good podcast. Good guys. Aaron and Pat, good guys. Smart guys. Pat is the encyclopedia of S-chassis.
Aaron, I'm sorry about your truck, man. We heard you back into that pole when you left. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
You're not the first one to hit that pole.
Yep, he hit the pole on the way out.
Yeah.
I think he tried to drive off with like some swag, but we saw it, buddy.
I really hope it's okay. I don't know what we're gonna do about that pole. Can't move it.
Can't move it. It's a power line. Go check out that podcast. That was episode 217.
Oh, brother.
What?
It's Final Bout prep week.
Yeah, Final Bout prep. We got the fiend himself dropping his car off.
Yeah, alignment only.
Yeah, when it's drift season, this car just pops up. It gets manifested out of nowhere.
Yeah, it just shows up the next day. You don't even know where it came from.
Yeah.
So, Tom's coming tomorrow or Wednesday too, so we're gonna have that car too.
Final Bout prep.
Yeah.
Let's see what questions we got on the gram.
Look at this car.
Why? You're gonna see that Final Bout.
Yeah, true. Probably shouldn't show this off, but it's got a carbon trunk
Wow, carbon trunk.
and the wing.
Damn, no more GT wing?
I guess not. Yeah. I missed the wing already. Look, he fixed it. Whoa.
Wow. How
Holy
long is that gonna
shit.
last?
Probably about
2 laps?
5 laps. Yeah, and then Tom will go.
Boom.
That won't work anymore. It's cool though. I mean, the wing lines up with the bumper, kind of. Not really, but it looks cool, I guess. I'm not a. I like GT wings.
Yeah, they're cool. Hot take. Too many people rush into cheap liveries and not enough people give them shit for it.
Gay. No, I don't know. We've had a lot of cars with crazy liveries at the shop.
Oh yeah, you see those people who buy some like Alibaba liveries and you're like, who the hell designed that?
Yeah, this one's pretty nice though.
Yeah, you got to get the quality liveries like by Design Shop React. Mike Martino, old Canadian boy. He get the quality stuff. Good designer.
Wait, Malcolm. You notice anything weird about the front?
Anything weird about the front?
Yeah.
The bumper? What the hell am I looking at? No way.
What?
Yo.
It's pretty good, right?
That is insane. Who made these?
I don't know. I saw them on Rich Whiteman's car the other day.
Dude, that is insane.
It's really hard to tell unless you're looking for it.
Yeah.
Not bad,
Bro,
guys.
why do your headlights have wrinkles? Yo, what?
Crazy.
That's actually really good.
Yeah, except for the part where you can't see at night.
Oh, wait a second. Yeah.
But yeah, it's good.
Whoever came up with this idea, I hope you're rich, because this is pretty.
We have these in stock?
That's a good little thing you made there. Yeah, I think we got these in stock. The combat eyes, not the stickers. Got the combat eyes.
Get the stickers though. We should jump on that quick before someone else does.
Somebody says the flasher modules for headlights and turn signals was an annoying trend.
I don't even know what that means.
I guess like the strobe stuff.
Strobes are probably the only cool thing in drifting, so.
Yeah, he said the
Try
flasher
again.
module. I think it's cool.
I don't know what flasher module. I think he's talking about something else. Just like
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe people like make it look like you have a blinker out and it flashes faster.
That's stupid.
That yeah.
Stock for stock D car, ZN6 or NB Miata ZN6.
Yeah.
Next question.
Sorry, Eric.
Yeah, Formula D sucks, and Final Bout should be considered the top tier drift league in USA. Yes, I agree with that.
It's not how it works, but yeah.
Not how it works, but you know those Americans love that loud car, fast car, smoky, whatever. Drifting world needs to be less about look at me and more high fives with friends.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I agree.
yeah, that's a high five. Look at that.
Oh, sorry.
He kind of made it weird. So you just got a high five with a smile.
When did he break this? Damn.
I don't think the car's ever not broken.
You're right.
So, moving on. When SRT bottom mount S13 bride seat rails.
What?
When bottom mount S13 bride seat rails in stock for bricks I need to buy. Brother, some punctuation and a little bit more wordage would help.
Goes a long way.
Anyway, Frank needs to get his girl Ariana some juicy platters. She's looking a little thin.
Yo, fuck you. F you. Mind
Ari's
your business.
Ari's on E85. Frenchy Josh said, y'all missed a hot lap. Shame on you.
Yep.
Shame on the state of New Jersey for making. Shame on the federal government for making people go to
You can blame
jury
them.
duty.
I'm blaming Eddie.
Damn. We said Eddie should just go in with like some type of political shirt on. I said next time if I get called to jury duty, I'm wearing a Black Lives Matter shirt.
I think they might pick you then. You gotta go the opposite way.
White Lives Matter shirt.
Yes. You will never get chosen.
I actually have one of them.
Yeah.
You gave it to me the other day. TDO6 or 3071 for RB25.
I don't know, dude.
How about you just put that in drive and go?
Yeah.
Next. Should I manual swap an SE400 or for my first drift car? No.
Yeah, no. 400? That's
SE, that's the one with the convertible top.
that.
It's like a hard top.
Hard top convertible.
Now get ready. Give your aunt her car back and go get a 240.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That it?
Yep, that's about it. I really didn't read them all, but
Okay. Well,
we got a lot of work
yeah, Eddie's got a lot of work to
because
do.
the federal government stole time
It's the state
from us.
government.
The state government. Wait, so do other states not make you do jury duty?
No, every state.
Oh, every state. Okay. Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. Arrest me.
I actually don't know how federal court works. I don't know if they pick people.
We got a mole right here. Tell us how it works. Anyway, peace out, guys. We got a lot of work to do. Don't forget to do the old giveaway thing on the website. Listen to the podcast. Listen to the podcast. We'll see you at Final Bout. Oh! Wake up. Ain't no time to be sleeping at work. Damn. Get me out of here.
Get out.
Somebody should make instead of a steering wheel for the ladies called Mama instead of Mama. Mama! Mommy?
All right, get him out of here.
Mama!
Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry. Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For our raffle this month, we are giving away a $1,000 Origin Labo Aero package. You can mix and match any body panels you need from Origin or put this towards a full body kit. The options are endless. Origin Labo has been the most popular aero company in drifting for years now, supplying drivers worldwide with fenders, over fenders, hoods, full body kits, and much more. From the subtle look of the stylish and streamlined kits to the more aggressive look of the drift line and racing line kits, Origin Labo has many options to choose from, so you can find something that matches the style you are going for with your build. And don't worry if you have a newer chassis. Origin released a bunch of products for the BRZ, FRS, and 350Zs as well. Not only do they continue to offer aero support for older vehicles, but they are always innovating new products to stay up to date. Faction Motorsports is an authorized distributor for Origin Labo. For more information on their parts or to place an order, check out factionmotorsports.com.